Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series. This is video number 21. So in this video we will learn text to column split data. So let's start. The text to column features allows you split combined data into separate column quickly and easily. So let's start. So here you can see I have data in comma. So first name and second name, and so here I select the entire data. Then go to the data tab. In data tools group, click on the text to column option, and here you can see the one dialog box is open. Convert text to column wizard. Select the delimited. You can see you can check the preview of selected data and click on the next, and here you can check again the data preview, and to separate this data into two columns just click on the comma, because in this column have a comma showing, okay, between two words. Okay, so I select the comma, and here you can see your data is separated into two columns. Okay, after that click on the next, click on the finish, and that's it. Here you can see your name is separated into two columns, the first name and second name. So that's it. And the second way, you can see here the all three name with the space. Okay, so here I'm going to split this all three name into two column. Okay, so I select this all three name, then go to the data tab. In data tools, click on the text to column, and here choose the delimited. Then you can check the selected data preview, then click on the next, and here to split this text into two column, simply click on the space, because in this data have a space, not comma. Okay, so here I select the space and click on the next and click on the finish, and that's it. Here you can see your text is split, your data is split. Okay, next let's see to split data in multiple columns. So here I select this all three details. Okay, first name, then email address, then mobile number. So here I'm going to split the data into different three column. So select it and again go to the data tab. In data tools, click on the text to column, select same as delimited. You can check here the preview of selected data and click on the next, and here you can see your data preview. And here if you want to split the different column, just click on the space here. Okay, you can see here your data is split into multiple columns. Just click on the next and click on the finish, and that's it. Here you see your data is split in the multiple column. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.